Hey y'all, I had a request for this one. This is Into the Mystic by Morrison. So we're gonna have our E flat chord. We have 5, 3, 4, and 3. Trying to get that bar chord. Or you could just try to play the 3 bottom strings and get that 3, 4, 3, like a D shape. But it's a little bit easier to get the down and up strumming if you have the kind of correct full chord. So we've got a basic strum like kind of like 1, 2, 3 E and 2, 3 E and 1, 2, 3 E and 1, 2, 3 E and. Now if you want to do something a little fancier with that, you can kind of get this finger up here and do this little hammer on. Okay, so it does that a whole bunch of times. I think it's like 6 times, then he starts singing. So you got. When he starts singing, he'll do 4 of these E flats. And now we're going to B flat. 3rd fret on the top 3 strings. Try to mute the bottom one. That's kind of an easy way to do that if you get used to it. Or you got your B flat like this. Okay, so once again from the verse. 3, 4. B flat. 2 times of that, and back. And then the next verse. Flat. Back to E flat. Okay, so that's kind of the easy part. Now it gets fun here. We got this. So we have 3 and 3. That's on the G string and the E string. So you want to bar that. Or you could do different fingers if you want. You could go like. That'd be one good way to do it. I just kind of bar it. 3, 3, 5, 5, and then 7, 6. And then you're gonna hit a A flat chord, which is like an F shape here on the 4th, 5th, and 6th fret, right? And then you're back to your E flat. And then we got that riff again. A flat. Then it's gonna go to B flat. You could also do this riff. So that's really kind of the cool part right there. Okay, so let's take a look at a verse again. 3, 4. B flat. 2 measures of that. Back to E flat. Okay, I'm gonna go into that riff now. Here we go. A flat. Back to E flat. Riff. A flat. And then we have this B flat riff. So that is 7 and 6, 8, 8, 10, 10, and then, okay, so it starts on the 6th fret, kind of a B flat chord shape. And then it pops up here. And now we have one more riff in this tune. It's kind of a, keep strumming that E flat. Okay, so you got your 8 and 9, kind of a hammer-on pull-off, and then you got your 6 here. You're gonna go to the G string, the 8th fret, and then you're gonna come back in with the hammer. 6 to 8 here on the B string. So it's like. that chord, strums a little bit more, and then B flat. And then that riff. Okay, now the first time that happens in the song, we jump back into this thing. E flat. A flat. And then we got that B flat riff. And then you're back there and he's singing again in E flat. Okay, so let's look at everything here again. So we have, obviously we have the intro. Our strum again is kind of like a, so you can make it a little busier, less busy, whatever you like. That's your basic groove for the beginning. And then he'll be singing for 4 of these. And you go to B flat. And if you have trouble with that one, you know, do your standard kind of B flat. And like I said, with this E flat, if you just want to try that, if it's a little bit too tough to get that bar thing going, then just try this guy. Just try to kind of mute that big string. That way you can strum back and forth and still get what you want without hearing, like, you wouldn't want that bass note from the big string because that's not for that chord, you know. Okay, so once again. So we got your E flats, B flat, and back. And now once again, that bridge. So 3 3 5 5 7 6, and then an A flat chord, which is an F on the 4th fret, basically. E flat. Riff again. 3 3 5 5 7 6. A flat. Now we have the B flat riff, or you could just make it simple and just play that chord. But when you're ready, you got this riff. That's a good fun one. Okay, then you're back to E flat, more singing, and then he has that hit thing. Once again, that was. And strum that chord again, and then you got B flat. And come back. And then at the end, one more B flat, and E flat, and you're done. All right, Into the Mystic by Van Morrison. Thanks again for the request. Y'all keep sending those requests in. I'll get to them as fast as I can, I promise. We'll catch y'all later. Peace out.